Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with screenshot in Selenium, this video is for you. Today we have trainer Priyanka with us and she has 15 plus years of experience in automation and she'll walk you through how to get the screenshot application and full page screenshot. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Today I will be talking about how to capture screenshots in Selenium. Guys, screenshot plays very important role in automation. Whenever we automate any software application, just for a proof, just to understand how the application flows, right? How it is executing. Sometimes we can capture screenshot for that complete step. Maybe after every statement or after every action, we wanted to capture a screenshot. Or there might be the case that you wanted to capture a screenshot only after fail scenario, only after pass scenario, right? So it depends on the scenario. It is important to know how to capture screenshot in Selenium while automating any software application. Now guys, in Selenium, okay, there are different interfaces available in this Selenium hierarchy. WebDriver is the main interface through which we can able to interact and automate any web UI of the application. But today we are going to understand what is the screenshot interface available in Selenium, which is all about text screenshot interface. What is the purpose of that interface and how to capture any screenshot for any application in Selenium. I will be explaining two things here. First of all, how to identify, how to interact with the element first using, and then once you interact, how you can capture a screenshot, plus how to capture a screenshot for a complete page. Yeah, sometimes we need to have a screenshot for full page, right? So guys, there is a separate utility available. Selenium has some feature. Okay, those we can easily automate, those we can easily interact. But few things are not ready made. Okay, so we have certain utility for that, and with the help of that utility, we can able to automate those elements. Example, we don't have a direct strategy to get the full page screenshot in Selenium. We don't have a ready-made method for it. So there we can use some external utility support. And there comes a short utility. So today I will show you how to get a screenshot for a basic browser screen, whatever it is opening while automation. Second way, I will be talking about how to capture full page screenshot with the help of a short utility. Okay. So let's continue with today's topic. So guys, very first, we wanted to capture a screenshot and we wanted to write our automation script, then we should have a project setup. As I multiple time explain the same thing. How to begin? You need to understand from the base setup. So just to create a Maven project. Inside the Maven project, add a required dependencies like Selenium dependency, TestNG dependency, and you can able to process or proceed with your automation script. Already I have created multiple projects. Okay. So I'm just opening the Maven project which we have created in the last session. Okay, I discussed about how to create a Maven project, how to add a dependencies, right? So just go and watch the previous recordings, previous videos. So you will understand how to create a Maven project. So guys, please have a look. Here you can see one of the Maven project which I have created for the last video, basics of automation. There, under pom.xml, we have already added required dependency. If you can see, I have added only Selenium dependency. Let me add today TestNG dependency also. So better, I will go back to the browser. Okay, where you can get all the required dependency. I have told you Maven is a build and project automation tool, or it is management tool basically. So in this management tool, it is developed by Apache, and Apache have given you some share, or we can say remote repository, central repository, and that is MVN. So if you can go to this one MVN repository, you will be able to see this site, okay, where you can see all the required dependencies. Search here for TestNG. So let me search today for TestNG dependency because Selenium is already there. So I will just copy this TestNG dependency. Let me go with the latest version. This is the latest version and I will add it here. Okay, so I hope you are already understood how to create a Maven project and how to add a dependencies into Maven project. So I'm not repeating these steps. Okay, it's very simple. Just go to file, go to new and create a new Maven project. Once the project is ready, add the required dependencies, whatever it is necessary for your current project. Once it is done, what you can do now? Guys, my process is completed, my setup is done. Now I will come back to the package. Okay, whenever you add a dependency to one thing, save it. Control S to save the dependencies. And then under web testing, you can see here I can create my new test case. So guys, now let me show you how we can capture a screenshot. Okay, better I'll do one thing. I will create a separate package, guys. So topics are different. So let me create a separate package and let me explain. So how to create a new package? Right click on src test Java, come to package, and there I can add a new package, com dot. Again, I'm writing web testing package. Under that, I will help you to capture screenshots. Okay. And now let me click on finish. Done. Under this, I will be creating my first test case. First, you need to understand how we can able to capture a screenshot for any application. So I'm writing a test case name, text screenshot, right? Text screenshot for app. And let me show you how you can able to do the same. So guys, let me add my test case name, test screenshot. Okay. Okay. For app. So I'm just writing test screenshot or get screenshot, any method you can design, any test case name you can design. So at this moment, I'm explaining to you how we can able to capture any screenshot. So let me write just capture screenshot method. Better. Then very first step is create driver session. So guys, we need to create our Selenium driver session. I will be writing here driver it is equal to new, and there I'm writing Chrome driver. Great. I have already told you WebDriver is one of the interface, right? Main interface in Selenium. And whatever UI interaction you wanted to do, all the methods, required method support, everything is present inside this interface, correct? So what is the first step? Whenever you write this statement, it will launch a browser for you, correct? Means Selenium is creating session with the Chrome. And then you need to import all these classes, right? So I will be just writing and following here shortcut Control Shift plus O, and you will able to import it from the respective package. Once it is done, now I would like to open here application. Okay. So which application, everyone? So let me just go and show you. Suppose I'm going to open Amazon application because I would like to show you both the scenario, correct? Suppose I will just write here Amazon. This is the app. And just to open this application, copy URL address. Okay, that is the first step. And guys, we have already learned which command we can use to open the application. So we have driver.get command. Just write driver.get and there you can write, okay, application URL address. Okay, so I have written amazon.in. Done. Once it is completed, what is the next step? Once the page will open, now you can see whenever I will open this page, whatever the current browser size it is, okay, I would like to capture a screenshot. So guys, try to understand in Selenium to capture screenshot for any application, we have an interface that is text screenshot interface. So very first interface provided by the Selenium, that is text screenshot interface. Okay. So guys, we have a simple rule in Java. We have learned that for interface, we cannot create any object, right? But we can create an object of any child class. So at this moment, I would like to show you how we can apply this interface, which is specially designed for get the screenshots only, right? In Selenium, text screenshot interface. But another point is for interface, we can't create an object because why we need an object? First question. See, there is one method available, get screenshot as, and which will help you to get the screenshot in different formats. Most common format, while automation that we prefer, that is a file. So it is time to understand how we can able to capture a screenshot, okay, and how we can able to, okay, take that particular method or use that method, get screenshot as. So for that reason, we need to create a object. Agree? So let me write as it is a ready-made method or ready-made interface available. So let me write first interface object. If I write in this manner, see, text screenshot, okay, that is my interface name. I'm just writing short variable or reference variable name TS. Please have a look if I write new. And again, if I write, okay, text screenshot. So definitely it is not allowed by Java. Correct? Interface object is not possible. but let me import it at this moment, my interface. Whenever you keep your mouse pointer, you will able to see immediate import statement from Selenium, as it is the default interface available in Selenium. Import text screenshot from which package? Just read it. org openqa.selenium. So it is coming from Selenium. Got it? But I can able to define reference. What about object? Can you see? Again from Java, I'm getting a simple message. You cannot instantiate the type screenshot, text screenshot. Means object of this particular interface is not possible. So guys, how we can able to proceed? Here comes the main part. Focus. At this moment, we have created a session for a WebDriver driver. Okay. WebDriver is also interface. I have created already one session for this WebDriver interface, which is through the Chrome browser. So guys, object is already there. Okay, one Chrome browser session is already initialized and one browser is already launched. I would like to perform operation on a same browser. I want same instance so that I can able to continue with the whole screenshot and other process. So guys, currently we are already having a driver reference, same instance, okay, for that same object. I can use this same object and I can able to capture screenshot for that same instance. How we can do that? So here we need to have or we need to go for typecasting concept. Somewhere one type of information we wanted to convert into other type, correct? Typecasting at this moment, I will go with what? Driver we wanted to convert into what? Text screenshot interface object. Then only I can able to get that particular method, which is get screenshot as. So guys, what is the step? You have observed this step everywhere, right? It is equal to driver. We have to write current driver instance. I'm going to convert into text screenshot. But whenever you write only this much, okay, I'm assigning driver to the text screenshot interface. What is happening? Java will not allow you this part because Java language always support top casting. It will ask you, okay, you cannot type mismatch, you cannot convert from driver to text screenshot, okay, interface object. Please have a look. Same error you are able to see. Type mismatch, you cannot convert from WebDriver to text screenshot. But I would like to do it forcefully. Then this is called explicit casting. We can directly perform explicit casting, right? Forceful conversion, I can say. And there you can just keep your mouse pointer. And here you can see add a cast to text screenshot. As soon as I completed this step, what is the meaning of this line now? Currently, driver we are converting in the format of text screenshot object, and same object, same instance, same application, same object we are assigning to who? That TS variable. Now through the TS variable, you can able to capture a screenshot for current, okay, whatever driver session it is. Got it? So every time driver has to be converted into text screenshot interface object. Okay. Then only for that current session, you are able to capture a screenshot. Okay, great. How we can capture a screenshot? So as I mentioned, there is a method available, get screenshot as. Okay. Here we need to add one enum. Output type. Actually, the entire we can say like suggestions you are getting from the script only. Correct? Get screenshot as method whenever you write, you have to pass your output type. In which format you wanted to capture a screenshot. So guys, I will be writing same here, output type dot. And see we are having enum. You can capture screenshot in base 64 format, file format, byte format. But yes, most commonly we follow file format. So I will go with the file. As soon as you write with file, what is the return type of this method? Guys, this method, as I mentioned, the type should be file. This will always return me file type of instance. So guys, this is my temporary file. I will just say temp file. Okay. And please have a look. Let me import file class from Java, java.io package. So what is happening? Currently, we are asking Selenium, okay, just get the screenshot. And where the Selenium is capturing and holding the screenshot, currently in a temporary file. But I wanted to store it in my current project directory. Mostly, all the required project documentation, we keep it inside the current project directory only. So how we can attach it? Okay, into current project directory. So guys, for screenshot, I can just create here another address. So again, I wanted to create a new file where I have wanted to store this entire screenshot. So just write a file. I'm writing, okay, this is my destination file. It is equal to new and file constructor. Do remember, whatever file you wanted to read, suppose you wanted to read it, you wanted to create it, the path of that file you will be writing inside the constructor. Where you want that particular file? I want in my current directory. Okay. But inside current directory, where? So, guys, very first, what I will do now, I will create one folder, location first, where I wanted to store all the screenshot. So, I will just right click on my current project. Under that, go to new, and there you will get this option folder. Let's create a new folder. I will just add my folder name is also same screenshot. Okay, screenshots, simple folder, screenshots folder, and let me create it. You can see folder is got created, right? Now I want this path. What is the solution? Either you can right click on this folder and you can go to the properties. Okay. But when you open properties, you can see such a long path. Now it is coming from my desktop. Okay. The whole path, C drive and go to users, and then I'm getting the whole path. And it is too long path, right? How we can minimize the path in automation then? There are two ways. Either you can get directly system property and you can able to minimize the path. So if you observe carefully, this is my complete project path. Under a project, I'm having this particular folder. Okay, I mean my current folder is screenshots folder. What I will do, I will just copy the folder name and better, I will attach it here. So currently, I would like to apply or capture my screenshot under this folder, right? But where is the folder? Folder is available in my system current directory. Just to get the address of current directory, everyone, you can just write system dot get property. That is a method. See, system is a class coming from the Java. Okay, we can handle some system utilities. Either we can set the property, either we can get the property. Currently, from this complete system, I would like to get the property. Which property? For current project property. Means I wanted to capture my current project, which is available in my current user directory. Just to get the whole path, okay, for current project path, you just need to add here one key, which is in the string format only. Just add in a small case letter user.dir, which means it is a user directory. Then apply here concatenation sign, which is plus operator. What is the meaning of this line? We are trying to capture a screenshot, and this is just a file path I'm creating. Current project path. Under that, go to screenshot folder. Inside that, I would like to create my file. Okay. What should be the file name? If you wanted to write, okay, current application is Amazon, I'm writing Amazon. And I'm just writing, okay, this is Amazon homepage. Better? Amazon homepage. Dot PNG. Okay, but see what happens. This time I have written Amazon homepage dot PNG. Second time, if you run, what will happen? Same file will be created. But every time if you want different file, then you can add some timestamp also. Correct? Now let me show you this part. So very first, I have just created a path, nothing else. First, we have created instance of a text screenshot. We have actually converted WebDriver instance into text screenshot. This is the file. First of all, I have explained here how we can take a screenshot, right? So we have to use this method get screenshot as, and whatever type you will be writing. Currently, it is a file type. So we are creating new file. That is what, like where we wanted to store our screenshot. So I have given here just the path. Now, from temporary file, I would like to save my screenshot or store my screenshot into this destination file. Correct? So previously in Selenium previous version, we used to follow different utility. Okay, we used to follow different classes. But now in Selenium 4, we are directly having file handler class. Okay, you just need to write file handler, which is available in Java also, but this is coming from Selenium. File handler dot, there is a copy method, and you can see copy from temporary file to destination file. Just you need to provide here what? Address, right? So this method will copy current temporary file, whatever screenshot it is, into what? The expected file, okay, destination file path, whatever we have prepared. But whenever you apply this copy method, you will get one exception. Just handle it or you can directly throw it. So at this moment, it is a compile time exception. So I will just throw it and done. It is the IO exception I'm getting. Save the code and guys, we are ready. We are ready to capture a screenshot for any open application through Selenium. Have a look. If I can run, how this code is executing, right? Okay, so very first it will open a browser. Within a browser, it will launch our application, which is Amazon, and see whatever page is getting open. Just we will able to see the screenshot for the same page. Now have a look. At this moment, let me close it. So currently I'm getting it's a pass, but let's see whether it is captures any screenshot or not. So guys, current folder is still empty. Okay. So you have to refresh it because process is completed. Do refresh and check the output. If I right click on the folder and if I just refresh it, can you see? Here, expand it. I got the screenshot. Amazon homepage.png. And let's open it. Okay, if you open like this, you can see current whatever page it was open, we are able to see the full screenshot for that particular page. Easy. So this is how you can automate everyone. Now see point. Another point is what? This time I have captured a screenshot. Suppose one more time I'm executing it. What is happening? See. Whether this will create a separate file? No. It will just replace or overwrite previous file with the new file. Have a look. One more time, I'm trying to execute because I'm not giving any change, okay, to file name. Again, it says same application got open and same page I can see here. Okay. And then you can see one more time, if I refresh the page, I mean this folder, what is happening? Same. I'm not able to see any other screenshot, right? But two time I have executed. So I should able to see two different files. Okay, whatever I have captured. For this, you need to change the name, right? Why it is not happen? Because same name we have written. So just to understand, okay, for every different step or maybe for every execution, whatever screenshot you have captured, you can add here current timestamp. Okay, how we can do that, guys? Just have a look. Here, I can easily add a current timestamp. You can just apply here concatenation first, complete the syntax, and there I'm applying concatenation. I will use system class again because in system class we are having current time millisecond directly. Okay. So whenever I have saved this, if I save this code, please have a look. Okay, what the output now we are getting. The format is like this. File name, it will automatically add current time in millisecond and it will just add its extension .png. Okay. This time you will see the difference. I mean, you will see two files get stored inside the same folder. Let me save it and let me execute the same. Just have a look. Okay. So this is how the page got open and we are able to see that particular screenshot. But see, what happened? You are automating Amazon application. Generally, whenever you automate real-time application, somewhere you might able to see this kind of options, right? So you just need to click on the button and you will continue. But this is not a every time same scenario. Got my point? Means see, if I execute again, okay, while runtime also, if you are getting that button, just click on it and continue. Okay, so if you can see this time I'm not getting any button. So application, whatever application you are opening, right? For that you will be able to see the complete screenshot. Got it? But suppose while automation or while executing, you are getting that first option, maybe continue with the shopping and all. Just click and continue for now. Okay. But got the point? How you can able to capture the screenshot? And in fact, this is code which is very generic code. You can apply for any of this application. Okay. Example, if I can open here, other application, freshworks.com. Okay. Okay, fine. And I will just get this, copy this URL and I will just add it here. Okay, instead of Amazon, now I'm changing the URL. It is a Freshwork. And let me just write here, same application name. Okay, Freshworks. And before execution, see, I have executed 3 times, right? Previous scenario. So let me show you now 3 separate files. Can you see that? Because of the current time millisecond, you are able to see 3 separate files here. If I can show you the last one. See, last one for that main page. Got it? Middle one for that button, I guess. Yes. And the first one, which is also for the button, right? This is the UI. So guys, first point, it is clear how you can able to capture a screenshot, right? For that particular application. Now, I have changed my scenario. I mean URL address. So let me come back to the package again. Let me open my test case again. I have just written, just get the screenshot for freshworks.com. Okay, let me run it and observe the test case. Okay, good. So whatever page is currently open, you will be able to see the screenshot for that page. But kindly wait. See, the still the page is getting loading, right? So sometimes page requires some extra time to load, right? That's the reason Selenium by default will wait till the time page is getting load. So kindly wait. And once it is done, you can see at the background, you are able to see test case is completed successfully. Okay. This time I will come back to screenshot folder and I will refresh. Can you see? I'm getting new screenshot for freshwork.com, right? And this is what the main page. Okay, whatever the size of browser it is, you are able to capture that screenshot. But in interview, people will ask you how to capture screenshot for full page. What does mean by full page first? Guys, if you can see same page, Freshworks. Here, current browser only shows you this UI, right? But if you can scroll down, see, this is the full page we are having, right? Some big page. What if I wanted to capture a screenshot of this full page? Is it possible in Selenium? Answer is yes, it is possible, but not directly with some ready-made code, I mean ready-made method, okay, or which is predefined method by Selenium. We need to take a help of external utility. Got it? Here comes the point, a short utility. Where you will get it? Is it available by default in Selenium? So answer is no. Just go to the official website and ready-made things, codes, everything they have given. We can use it and we can write our logic. So now next test case, I will be explaining to you how to capture screenshot for full page. For this, I will be taking same application because for Amazon, like every time you are getting different UI, right? The better, let me show you another test case. Let me create a new test case. And here I'm writing full page screenshot. Okay, have a look. Let me write capture full page. Okay, and again process remains same. Just create driver session. Here I can write WebDriver driver. It is equal to new. I'm writing Chrome driver. Let me import everything from Selenium driver.get and I will apply here. Okay, simple URL. Done. Whenever we wanted to capture a full page screenshot, as I mentioned, we don't have a direct method in Selenium. Okay, direct class, ready-made method, we don't have. So we are using a short utility. Let me write a short utility. So one library is already there, okay, and that is supported to Selenium scripting and all. So you can directly use this library, which is an external library design, right? So with the help of that library, you can able to automate or you can able to capture full page in automation or in Selenium, right? So let me show you. If you can open this library, means just go to Google and search a short, just write a short utility or just write a short. That's fine. And there you will see one GitHub link. Okay. This is the GitHub link as on a short WebDriver screenshot utility. See, it's a utility, right? Open it. And from the official website, just come down and read it, what it is given. So this is a WebDriver screenshot utility. It takes screenshot of web element on different platform. It can be browser, it can be iOS simulator, Android emulator, anything, right? Decorate screenshots, even provide flexible screenshot comparison. So guys, it is up to you. There are many things present. Okay, you can read and customize your own logic, own code. That is what, okay, you will understand automation concept. So the point is, if you can little bit scroll down, they have given a shot takes screenshot in three simple way. Either it will capture entire page screenshot, any element size position if you wanted to capture, that is also possible as per the viewport of browser, or we can say size of the browser, right? And crop the original screenshot. These three things are possible. Even little bit more if you scroll down, so they have given dependency. Absolutely, this is a new thing, new utility, and new utility provided by a short project, right? This is the artifact ID, project name, correct? So we wanted to first do what? Just add dependency in a project. Then only we are able to write a logic. Okay, so great. I will do one thing. I will copy this dependency as it is. First, I will come back to form.xml file. There, after testing I will attach this dependency and I will save it. Okay. So this is given by qatool.ashort, and the current version is 1.5.4. Done. First step is completed. What is the next step? Yeah, currently we are looking for entire page screenshot, right? Because web element and all, it is easy to capture. But this is important. So guys, to capture entire page screenshot, you can see they have given the proper guideline and this is the code. You have to create an object of a shot, right? And then whenever you are writing, you need to use this shooting strategy, text screenshot method, right? And then you need to pass a WebDriver as a reference. What I will do, I will just copy this code, whatever it is given. Okay. Once it is done, come back and here I will attach this code. Great. Now already dependency we have added. So let's import it first one by one. Keep your mouse pointer on a shot and then you will be able to see it is asking you to import it from a shot library. Yes, import it. Shooting strategy is another class. We can import it. Same from a shot. And what is this WebDriver? We need to pass here current driver, guys. I wanted to capture screenshot for current session, current page. So I'm just passing here current driver. Whenever we send all these methods, okay, what is the return type? Keep your mouse pointer on text screenshot method. Return type is screenshot class object, right? So what is screenshot? At this moment, it is a class. It takes screenshot of whole page. Okay, great. Then I will just write here same screenshot. Okay, suppose I'm writing here. This is okay. I will write just simple variable name short. You can write anything. Okay, so I'm writing it just a short. And let me import it. Import it from where? Okay, now you can see you are getting multiple import option, but we need to import it from expected a particular package which is a short only. Okay, try to understand. So it might be from page, it might be from any other dependency. Do import it from a short. That's it. Okay, so this method will take the screenshot, full page screenshot, but again we wanted to store it. Agree? Where we can store it? So we need some final file structure or name or path. So I will write here file path. I wanted to capture a screenshot and I would like to store it inside this file path, whatever path I will be writing. Again, I will create a simple file. This is my destination file. It is equal to new. Again, I'm writing file constructor and here I have to attach a path. Again, guys, I'm expecting, let me write here, I'm expecting same path, which is my folder screenshots. So can I add here? See, screenshots. Okay, so let me write screenshots. Under this folder, I would like to name for this current screenshot, which is a full page. I'm just writing full page. Suppose you wanted to customize with the current system time unit. Yes, you can do that. I'm writing here system dot again current time millisecond. And then I'm adding here extension again dot png. Got it? And first import file class from Java. Okay, let's do import it. But where is the screenshot folder? Screenshots folder available in my current project that you can see here. Under a package, we are having screenshots. That is a folder name. But to reach up to this, we need to add system dot get property method. Correct? Same. And where I can add user dot dir, user directory, and just concatenate. So what I have did here, this method will capture a screenshot, but it will store where? It will store into destination. But how? We wanted to write our screenshot, okay, on into this destination. So there we have another class to follow, image io. Okay, just write image io. This is the class, okay, dot. There you will find one write method, okay. So write method, you can see we are passing three arguments. First is rendered image, then format name, and then file where you wanted to store. So guys, first render image means what? Current our image which I wanted to capture from the screenshot. Because this method, this entire object will capture a screenshot. So what I will do? Rendered image, I will get it from here. Short dot, you will see get image method. Whatever image it is, in which format you wanted to capture, I wanted to format in PNG. And where you wanted to store inside a destination, which I have written here, the complete path. Got it? But as soon as you write this command, means method, and you pass an argument to it, this will throw some exception. Have a look. It is saying that Again, I'm getting unhandled IO exception. I told you in the previous example how to throw the exception. If it is a compile time, same, it is a compile time exception only. Either you can throw it or you can handle it. Handle through what? Absolutely try catch. I can go with try catch then. Okay, so this time you will understand how to handle any exception. That's it, guys. So we are ready with the logic. We are ready with the utility. It's a very simple step. First step, add a dependency. Second step, add a ready-made code. Just declare and import the classes from respective package. And then define your path where you wanted to store the screenshot. And just to capture screenshot, if you wanted to write, then we are using image io.write method. This will help you to capture current screenshot and store it at the same location, whatever location you have given. And yes, we are ready with the logic. Let me save it and let me show you. Let's run. And let's see how it is working, how we are able to see the full page screenshot in Selenium. Okay, done. Let this load properly because this page taking some time to load the proper elements, and you can see automatically it is capturing screenshot for full page. And once it is completed, finally you will see the result. So let this complete. At the background you can see now there is no red color, that icon is highlighting, means code is completed successfully. Now I can close the browser. If you close it in between, you will not able to see the output. So don't close it in between. Let them complete properly. Now close. See, output is coming. Okay, test case got passed. But let me show you where exactly we have captured a screenshot under the same location. So at this moment, if I can right click on refresh, I mean screenshot, and if I do refresh, have a look. I got here full page.png. If you open, now see the beauty of automation. If you can scroll down, see you are able to capture full page screenshot here as per the size. Okay, this is the main part. We guys are able to capture full page screenshot, okay, for this particular application. So guys, as per the viewport, you are able to capture the screenshot, right? If you wanted to customize now this same logic, follow this official website, do read what the documentation they have given, and just customize your screenshot, right? But this is how you will understand in automation how we guys are able to capture any screenshot, okay? Maybe for any kind of single page or maybe for a complete full page, whatever full page it is. If it is Amazon, you will be able to see the complete screenshot for Amazon. Means see, process remains same. I will again come back to the main full page screenshot. If I change only the URL address, you will see the result for the same. If I comment this line, got it? And suppose I'm writing again same, driver.get, okay? And here I'm writing that URL address. Suppose HTTPS, I'm just writing here, okay, www.amazon.in. Still, you will able to run this code. Have a look. So this time, again, I'm writing full page. Suppose I wanted to give a name Amazon just to identify, okay, and I will run this application. Have a look how it is executing. So full page screenshot, whatever you are getting for Amazon, okay, now it will capture and you will see the result. Perfect. Now let me close it and have a look. This time, let me refresh the folder. Okay, we got Amazon full page screenshot, and guys see, this is how you are able to see the output. Easy. The full page screenshot, any single page screenshot, the open browser screenshot, you guys are able to capture in Selenium with the help of text screenshot interface. Again, with the help of a shot utility, you are able to capture full page screenshot. So just remember these two important topics, right? And with the help of this, I hope you understood how to capture a screenshot. So thanks for everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.